is Michelle Huang, and today I'll be interviewing my husband.
Hi everyone, my name is Johnny. In Cantonese, my name is Yu Po Yi, and I'm born in Hong Kong.
Now that we're done with our brief introduction, we're gonna jump straight into the questions. First question is, what co-cultures will you be focusing on in this interview? So in this interview, we'll be focusing on Hong Kong culture. Second question, do you feel like the language style in your culture is more direct or indirect?
我覺得香港人講嘢上面咧，分開兩部分應該。做嘢方面咧，我哋係好straightforward 好直接。講嘢喺做嘢上面都係用 number 啊，或者一個好似 order 啊咁樣嘅形式去表達。咁但係一般生活上啊，喺屋企啊，可能佢就會比較冇咁直接嘅，中意用一啲故事啊，中意用一啲其他嘢去代表而家發生緊嘅事去溝通。
I feel that Hong Kongers have two sides of communications. One is the direct part where it'll occur at working settings where they'll tend to use things like numbers or something short to be very efficient. And on the other hand, they have the indirect part in their communication as well, where it's mostly used on daily basis at home, or with friends, where they tend to use stories to kind of describe the situation or the things that they're trying to describe. So, third question, how does your culture feel about small talk?
我覺得香港人好唔中意 small talk，特別係喺做嘢嘅地方，大家會覺得做嘢嘅時候有 small talk 係一個偷懶嘅行為，唔中意做嘢。但係如果一般嘅情況咧，我覺得就只會同一啲認識嘅人、熟嘅人先會有 small talk 啦。如果係一個唔做嘢嘅情況。
I feel that Hong Kongers dislike having small talks, especially when in a working settings, because Hong Kongers like to be efficient in a working settings, where when you start doing small talks in a working settings, it feels as if you're trying to be lazy or you're trying to try not doing your work. So, but other than that, if it's outside working settings, small talks will occur with non-strangers, like people that you know, or friends or family. So the next question is, how does your culture feel about interrupting during a conversation?
呢個喺香港人係絕對唔可以接受嘅。大家會覺得你講緊嘢嘅時候有其他人interrupt 你，或者係做咗其他嘢，唔 focus 喺講嘢嘅人身上，就已經係一個好唔禮貌嘅行為，一定係一個唔要得嘅行為。
I feel that Hong Kongers cannot accept being interrupted during a conversation because that means you're not respecting them and you're not paying attention to what they're saying or doing. So it is something that is very rude and it feels to them that you do not have manners when you interrupt them. So the fifth question is, what is something you like about how your culture communicates?
我最中意香港人講嘢就係夠直接，唔會咁多廢話。你好容易就可以知道我即刻要做啲乜嘢，好有效率。做嘢都係爽手，我哋叫爽手，即係 chop chop。呢樣嘢係我覺得香港人最勁嘅地方咯。
I feel that Hong Kong is very efficient with their communication because they're really direct and they're straight to the point as they want efficiency. So they get straight to the point Um, yes. And then the last question is, what is something that you dislike about how your culture communicates?
最唔中意嘅應該就係、有陣時大家講嘢太直接，即係佢唔會理其他人點樣諗所以有啲人比較 sensitive 或者係比較玻璃心嘅，會好容易唔開心咯，我覺得。
The one thing that I dislike about our culture is that sometimes they are too direct. So those who are very sensitive or have a delicate heart would get hurt by those words because they're so insensitive. So basically, this is the interview with my husband. So thank you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.